everyone, welcome to this demonstration of BrowseInfo's POS Commission application. It helps you to calculate the sales commissions for the POS users based on the orders, invoices, or payments in Odoo. You can set the commission rules by product category, profit margin, and auto generate the commission lines with PDF reports. You can easily create the vendor bills for the POS cashiers or salespersons directly from the commission records. It's a complete POS commission management solution. So, for the first step here, I have already configured the database, and now I'm just going to the point of sale, and under the configuration, I'm selecting the settings. So here under the configuration, you will find one option, the apply POS commission. You have to click on this checklist. After that, I'm just going to the users, and here I'm selecting one user, and under this other tab you will find one option for the POS commission. You just have to click on this checklist. So this user will be responsible for the POS commission. After that, I'm just selecting the customers and selecting one, and under the sales and purchase tab you have to click on this checklist, this user is affiliated or not. I'm just going to open the session to select the products and going to make the payment. So here you can see our order is successfully completed. Now I'm just going to the back end and selecting the order we completed. So under the POS commission tab, you can see the commission is generated for the initial admin. So that's how you can create the POS commission. After that, I'm just going to the invoice. So in the other information tab, you will find the salesperson as a initial admin as we selected the same. And under the configuration you will find one option for the POS commission. So here we have a four type of different commissions. So first one is a standard commission. So it will be for the 10 percentage, and the salesperson for the same is Michelle admin. After that, we have a partner based commission, and for that, the salesperson is the mark demo, and the percentage rate is 12%. If the customer is affiliated, if not affiliated, so it will be 6. After that, we have a product category and margin based commission. So, based on the product, you can add the same. And the last one we have is the discount based. So, according to the discount, you can also set the POS commission. So, if you want to create the new commission, you just have to click on this new and you can able to create the new commission. After that, I'm just going to the orders and selecting one order, and I'm just going to return the products. So now under the POS commission line, you can see the commission is disappeared for the initial admin. So that's how the return order is work. After that, I'm just going to the configuration, and under that you will find one option for the commission lines. And I'm just going to select the one and I'm just going to click on this action button, and under that you will find one option for the create invoice for the same. So you can group by the invoice date you. So this is how our module works. If you have any questions and doubts regarding the same, note down in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe BrowseInfo's channel for more Odoo related tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching.